Assalamu alaikum. How are you, dear students? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah in this pandemic situation. I am also fine and staying at home. You know that I have been giving a test every day since 19 March on a Facebook group, namely KUC English Club. In fact, I started giving the test to make you involved with your studies, staying at home. By this time, most of the students of you have already joined the group and they are getting the advantages of that test. But some of you have not yet joined the group. So I will ask you to join the group and be benefited and be engaged with your studies for the future. However, I would like to give you a topic on English second paper, namely pronoun references. Okay, this is the question format. How you will face in your exam. The question is, identify the unclear pronoun references in the following passages. Where necessary, rewrite the sentences so that all the pronoun references are clear. COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Most people infected with this will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring a special treatment. They with underlying medical problems like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, and cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. It spreads primarily through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose when an infected person coughs or sneezes. The best way to prevent and slow down transmission is maintaining social distance. If it can be controlled, other people will remain safe. We can protect ourselves, others from infection by washing our hands or using an alcohol-based rub frequently and not touching our face. Now, we'll find out how many pronouns are in the passage. At first, we have to find out because this is an easy method to solve this problem. Okay, we have got here this is pronoun here, they is pronoun here, it is pronoun here, it is pronoun here, we is pronoun here, yourselves is pronoun here, our is pronoun here, our is pronoun here. So we have got here 8 number of pronouns. Now we will find out which pronouns are unclear and which pronouns are incorrect. Okay, look at this passage. Easy method to solve the questions. Here, this does not clear to the readers or to us what it means. That is why we put a noun here. Virus is noun here and it works as a demonstrative pronoun and determiner. So this virus, then it will be clear to us. Secondly, they is not clear here. That is why we will use here people instead of they, because they is a pronoun without any antecedent. That is why we have to put here people as noun instead of this pronoun. Then it will be clear. Okay. Thirdly, it is also not clear here. It is unclear. That is, we have to clear here putting the COVID-19 because it indicates here the COVID-19, then it will be clear to the readers as well as to us. Again, it is also not clear here. It is pronoun here, but if we use it here, it will not be clear to us. That is why we have to use this noun transmission here instead of it. Then it will be clear to all. Okay. We is also pronoun, but we is clear and correct. So we should not change it, and we will not change it. Then yourselves. The reflexive form of we is ourselves. So yourselves is incorrect here. So we have to correct it, putting ourselves. Then our is correct, and our is also correct and clear. So we will not change them. Okay. Now the answer will be like this. COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Most people infected with this virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. People with underlying medical problems like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, and cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. The COVID-19 spreads primarily through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose when an infected person coughs or sneezes. The best way to prevent and slow down transmission is maintaining social distance. If transmission can be controlled, other people will remain safe. We can protect ourselves and others from infection by washing our hands or using an alcohol-based rub frequently and not touching our face. You have to answer like this. You have to read the whole passage again, and your answer will be like this. Thank you. I hope you will understand the matter, and I hope you will practice it again and again to be more clear. Thank you very much.